Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the Cnidaria phylum. That is another phylum in the invertebrate phylums. Right. So, in Cnidaria, living organism mostly they are aquatic forms. They are aquatic forms. So, in aquatic, mostly marine. They are mostly marine. So, mostly marine means major part of the living organism are living in the marine water. Some of the living organism are living into the fresh water, right? So then they are they are sessile. Sessile are free living. They are sessile or free living. So they can live in the water and they are sessile or free living or free swimming. Next, they are radially symmetrical living organisms. Radially symmetrical organisms. What is the meaning of radially symmetrical? Their body is round. Their body is round in shape or umbrella like shape. Round or umbrella like shape. So, round or umbrella in jellyfish, the body of these like this. So they are showing the radial symmetry. What is the radial symmetry? If you cut the living organism from any plane, if you cut the living organism, if you divide the living organism from any plane, that gives two equal parts is called as a radially symmetry. Right? Then they are belongs to tissue level of organization. Tissue level of organization, and they are belongs to diploblastic organization. What is diploblastic organization? Two germinal layers are there, ectoderm and endoderm are present. Mesoderm is not completely developed. So mesohyal is present between the ectoderm and endoderm. Mesohyal is present in the area between the ectoderm and endoderm. They are diploblastic organizations. They contain two germinal layers. They are ectoderm and endoderm. So the name, another name of the Cnidaria is Cnidaria. What is the name? Cnidaria. So why the Cnidaria name is for the Cnidaria? Because they contain the cells. They contain the cells. Means the Cnidaria is derived from the cells present in their body. So what is the cells present in this Cnidaria? Cnidoblast. What is the cells? Cnidoblast cells are present in their body. So what are the cells here? Cnidoblasts or cnidocytes. These cells are present in their body. These cells are present on the tentacles. That's why they are called as Cnidaria. Okay. So what is the nature of the cnidoblasts or cnidocytes? Cnidocytes or cnidoblasts contain stinging capsule or nematocyst. These cells contain stinging capsule. Stinging capsule or nematocyst. Stinging capsule or nematocyst is present in the cnidoblast cells or cnidocyte cells. So, where these cnidoblast cells or cnidocytes are present? Cnidoblast cells or cnidocytes are present on the body or on the tentacles. The tentacles are there. So the cnidoblasts and cnidocytes are present on tentacles are present on the body. They are present on the body on tentacles. What is the use of these tentacles? So tentacles are the locomotory structures. Tentacles are the locomotory structures. Tentacles are the locomotory structures. So they are swimming in the water. So locomotory structures of the Cnidaria are tentacles. What is the use of these tentacles? Tentacles are useful for the locomotion, and also the tentacles contain cnidocytes or cnidoblast cells, right? So what is the use of these cnidoblast cells? Use of cnidoblast or cnidocyte cells. Cnidoblast or cnidocytes. What is the use of cnidoblast or cnidocytes? What is the use here? They are useful for anchorage and defense and capture of prey. So one use is anchorage. Anchorage means attachment to larger bodies or attachment to larger living organism present in the water. Attachment to larger living organisms, larger living organisms in water because they are living in the water. So next use is defense. Protect themselves from the predators or enemies. What is the use of these? Next use is defense. Third one is capturing of prey. So they want to get food material. These cnidocytes are helpful for the capturing of the food material, right? So cnidocytes are present in the tentacles and they are present on the body. They are helpful for defense and capturing of the food material. Defense and capturing of the food material, right? So here, this is one. So next, this living organism contains central cavity. These Cnidarians contains central cavity. What is the name of the cavity? This cavity is called gastrovascular cavity. Gastrovascular cavity. So this gastrovascular cavity is also called as, another name is also there, that is coelenteron. Gastrovascular cavity is present in their body, that is called as coelenteron. So in porifera, what is the name of the cavity? In porifera, the cavity name is spongiocele. Porifera, the cavity name is spongiocele. While in coelenterata, what is the name of this cavity? Name of the cavity in coelenterata is gastrovascular cavity. Okay. So what is the cavity present in the cylindrata? Means here gastrovascular cavity and cylindron. Sometimes both options A and B are present. So third option is for example spongo seal. Fourth option is acelome. Or here fourth option A and B. A and B. So what is the answer here? Fourth option is the correct answer. So what is the body cavity of the Cnidaria or cylindrata? This is called as gastrovascular cavity and cylindron.